Learn about a country every day. Brazil. Brazil is located in the eastern part of South America. It borders the Atlantic Ocean. It covers a land area of 8.51 million square kilometers. That makes it the world's fifth largest country, and the largest in South America. It borders every other South American country except Chile and Ecuador. Believe it or not, Brazil even shares a border with France. This is because French Guiana is an overseas territory of France. Brazil is divided into 26 states and one federal district. The federal district is where the capital, Brasilia, is located. In 1960, the capital was moved here from Rio de Janeiro. This move aimed to promote balanced regional development. Furthermore, the country's largest city is Sao Paulo. About 100 kilometers southeast of it lies Santos Port, South America's largest seaport. The second largest city is Rio de Janeiro. The Christ the Redeemer statue, weighing over 1,000 tons, stands atop Corcovado Mountain. It's Brazil's iconic landmark. Additionally, Uruguay was historically also part of Brazil. It was called the Cisplatina province. And besides the South American mainland, Brazil has numerous islands off its coast. Geographically, the country's physical features are relatively simple. Broadly speaking, it consists of just two parts, the Amazon basin and the Brazilian highlands. But if we break it down by terrain, it can be divided into four geographic regions. These are the Amazon basin in the north, the Brazilian highlands in the central south, the Paraguay River basin in the southwest, and the coastal mountains in the southeast. About 60% of the entire Amazon rainforest is located within Brazil. However, due to restrictions on large-scale development, the Amazon region contributes only 4% to the country's GDP. In the north, near Venezuela, stands Mount Roraima, where Venezuela, Guyana, and Brazil meet. Mount Roraima features cliffs that are almost vertical. This place also inspired the Pixar movie Up. Moreover, in the northern part of Maranhão state, there's a landscape of sand dunes stretching about 3 to 15 miles from the coast inland. Because of the unique climate and geography, many seasonal lagoons form between the dunes. This unusual natural scenery attracts many tourists. Population-wise, Brazil has about 216 million people. It's the world's seventh most populous country, after Nigeria, and most people live concentrated in the southeast part of the country. The state of Sao Paulo alone has over 44.42 million people. That's 21.8% of the nation's total population. Ethnically, mixed-race people make up 43%. European ancestry accounts for 40%, and Asian ancestry is 2.9%. People of Japanese descent make up about half of this Asian population. Brazil has the largest population of Japanese descent outside of Japan itself. The official language is Portuguese. English and Spanish are the main foreign languages. Economically, in 2023, the country's GDP was about $2.17 trillion. The GDP per capita was $10,043.60. Key industries are agriculture, manufacturing, and services. Brazil is a major global exporter of agricultural products. Also, Brazil has large reserves of high-grade iron ore. It's the world's second largest exporter of iron ore. Furthermore, Brazil's level of technology is advanced among developing countries. It's the only country in the southern hemisphere with spaceflight capabilities. Overall, as Latin America's largest economy, and a member of the G20 and BRICS, Brazil holds significant regional and international influence.